As you can see by the background. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we moved. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I look crazy right now. Yeah, I know. And as you can see by the background. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we moved. But in this video, I just gonna help me. Not help me, but y'all gonna watch me fix up everything I need to fix up. I already started. I did the dishes. I put some things in my room. I actually have a new bed frame. Yeah, my room is a little bigger this time too. So yeah, and the floors are nice. But I'm about to get rid of all this. Not get rid of it, but you know, fix it up. I have my nail stuff over there, my clothes. Only some stuff that's left over there is mine. But yeah, y'all just gonna watch me. This might be a montage video. I don't know. Like I might not talk too much in this video. And don't mind my hair. I don't know what my bonnet is. But yeah, we're gonna start cleaning. And y'all gonna, matter of fact, y'all gonna help me, cause y'all mad lazy. What am I doing now? I gotta take my daughter's stuff to my room, and then my nail stuff to my room, and organize. Ma, you watching? I thought she was watching through the camera. Why is this stuff on my shirt? Don't play with me. And where's my faja? I washed it and I don't know where I put it. But let me start, but let me finish this. I'll see what you want to do with that. Ma, what you want to do with this? Let me know. Let me know through the camera. It's too much when you move into somewhere new. I have to put this on. I don't know about y'all, but burgundy look fire with or copper or burgundy look fire with pink, like a baby pink. I know I look like a little girl, but leave me alone. Yeah, I gotta do my hair. I don't know where's all my flat iron products and my blower and all that. I keep hearing something. I have a lot of stuff. Put all the bags down there, all of them. You know I had to separate the wig bag. Come on now, come on. Anyway, I'm gonna start bringing my stuff to the room little by little. And I'll do my room last because this right here. All right, there's my room now. Look at this. This I can move out, but I have to fix all this. Yeah, see my bed frame? Cute. I don't know why it looks so zoomed in. Don't worry, I'm gonna block you out the video. I'm heating up a bottle. I know where my hangers are. I forgot where I put them. That took long. My bad. Alright, I'm gonna feed my daughter and then I get back to y'all. Baby, it's the next day. Anyways, I didn't get to finish yesterday because I was with the baby and stuff like that. But yeah, I got the chance to finish right now. I already did some stuff yesterday. My brother's girlfriend helped me. I was folding my daughter's clothes and then I put it in her drawer, which is over here. Yeah, I still have a lot to do. Well, not OD, but I'm trying to sit y'all up good. Alright, whatever. So right now, I'm just finishing the rest of my bags and stuff like that. I still have mad stuff on my bed that I'm gonna hang up right now. I put my dresser in the closet with my folded clothes or whatever. Hung my TV up. This is gonna get put higher Right now, I'll just put it like that. But I'm gonna ask my brother to come tomorrow and put it higher, and it'll look better. It'll be off the floor. That's pretty much it. I don't have like a lot to do in here, but I don't know. So yeah, right now I'm just hanging up jeans, and this stuff I'm gonna finish tomorrow. But right now I'm just hanging up stuff just to get it off my bed and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't like how I've been looking lately. I've been looking like a whole bum. I gotta do my toes, my nails, my eyebrows, my lashes, and my hair. That's gonna be a maintenance vlog at this point. But yeah, I'm looking like a real Hispanic with these damn sandals on. These are my house sandals. I didn't do my toes yet, so not too much. But just hanging up stuff for now. I should be putting my winter stuff away in a bin because summer's around the corner. So that's what I should be doing. But you know I don't listen. You know I'm stupid. But I'm also gonna do I'll probably do a house tour or a room tour. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I want to show my whole crib, but I know for sure I'm gonna do a room tour. So yeah, it's too much when you move. It's too much to deal with. There's another cardigan, but y'all sitting on it. Okay, yeah, I knew that I was gonna do that. Yeah, stay right there, cause I'm not even playing. What I like to do sometimes, I like to just put some of them together. Cause you about to be using up that hangers for what? Might as well just fit what you can, like that. Boom. Boom. I'm not gonna front. I don't like that I still look pregnant. I don't like that. I don't like that I still look pregnant. Like, I have my faja somewhere. I have to look for it. But I just been like whatever. Yeah. 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 I just be coming out here looking however. But it's alright because that's why y'all get to know the real me. Alright? Sometimes I like to put jackets over the sweaters. So everything long goes to the back. Alright, so this is how my closet is looking right now. I gotta talk quiet because the baby's sleeping. But I hung up some stuff. I put stuff in the drawer. My hamper I just bought. I put some of my nail stuff there because I don't have my nail desk with me right now. So this is how the inside looks. I bought a car seat up there. Why is it so zoomed in? I bought a car seat up there. And the little stuff she lays on. Her duffel bag. Yeah. Now I'm gonna just try to pump a little bit until she wakes up. Then I'm gonna finish the rest tomorrow because it's already late. It's already 12:47. So yeah. But I like my case. It says her name on it. Stop playing with me. But I'm gonna get back to y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, I'm back. So respectfully, yeah, I didn't finish. I didn't. I mean, I finished, but it got messed up again, basically. And don't mind my hair, cause I just did this little, just to keep my hair, you know what I'm saying, you know. If you know, you know. But that's right there because I had the air mattress out because I had company recently. So that's just sitting there still. I have to take that out the room. I already hung up my clothes in my closet, and my drawer is in the closet already. I hung up her pictures. I don't know if y'all seen that part. I doubt it. This mirror is just here because I was braiding my hair. but I don't think I'm gonna leave a mirror in here. I was thinking about putting some right here, like going that way, like I had in my last room. But I don't know if I want to do that again, so yeah. And then she's right here, you know, playing with her bottle. But yeah, the room is a little messed up right now. Like, I finished getting everything together basically, but it got messy again because obviously I had company number one. I'm dealing with her, so it's like I can't really do too much. Like, if you're a mother, you know. And then like on top of that, her stuff is with my stuff, so it's like her stuff is laying around. I don't know how to explain it, but like I said, if you're a mother, you know what I'm talking about. So, and then this one, my other kid, my son over here, the dog, he stayed out right there with his little blanket. So yeah, it's not really, I have a lot of stuff. That's the problem. Like, that's the problem with me. I have a lot of stuff, so it's like, I mean, I got rid of some stuff too. I got rid of some clothes, a lot of clothes actually, but it's not fun. It's not fun. I got rid of a lot of clothes too, but at the same time, I still have a lot. So it's like, my room kind of look cluttered, but then it don't. I'm gonna show y'all anyways, but yeah. So, ooh, all right. So here's baby right here. Yeah, here's my bed frame. I don't know if I even showed y'all that. I actually just changed my sheets. All right, so my bed sheets right here. This right here was the color of that blanket, the beige. But yeah, I know, that's what I said. But I had to wash it because she stained it with her like spit up and stuff. Every time she would spit up, she stained it, so I had to just wash it. So I put like my silk green one on. So it's not really matching right now, you feel me? But it's alright, it's alright. So like I said, right there, yeah, her carriage, her dresser, but I have to fix that right there. My window, curtains, AC, my closet, my TV, her stuff hung up on the wall. Yeah, that's pretty much it in this room. That's how my room is looking right now. But once I do fix it, y'all gonna see in like future videos anyway, so it don't even matter. But yeah, guys, I'm vlogging on my iPad right now because I'm supposed to be ordering a camera. All right, I don't even, oh yeah, I did tell y'all. So I sold my Sony camera like a dummy. I kind of regret it right now, but then again, I don't. It's like, I don't know, it's 50-50. I did end up getting a Canon, but I don't like the way the footage looks on that one, so I still didn't get a, how you say it, a memory card for it. So it's just sitting in the drawer. So I am planning on buying another one, a 4K one. Damn, this one's melting. Yeah, eat these raspberry chocolate covered raspberries. Y'all gotta try the strawberry ones. I know, right? I told them that. Mhm. Mhm. Right? Right? This is what she do all day now. I don't know if I'm gonna finish off this video here or clean up again. And show y'all the finishing. I don't know. I've been really procrastinating with this video. Like, I've been taking long to film and stuff like that. I don't know. And don't mind my nails, bro. These two right here, for some reason, didn't dry underneath. That's what I don't like about black. Like, it's like, it doesn't want to dry. But I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to empty the room as much as I can because I have a lot of stuff. But I hope you enjoyed this video so far. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I think the baby has something to say because she's just talking, you know. Nevaeh, you have something to say? Let me know. You have something to say? She said, so yeah, that's what she had to say. But I'm gonna get back to y'all in the next clip. If not, I'll just put up a picture or something at the end, so y'all can see how the room look. I'm gonna holla at y'all, right?